my writing was not like good. See, this is my previous writing.
Okay, I can see now. Okay, and can you show me your work on last day? Yes, beautiful. It's one of the most beautiful writings, huh? Maintain it, very nice, very good.
I told him I want to join. So after that, I started. First thing on first paragraph. So I thought, how we will write a paragraph and improve our writing.
Okay.
Maintaining space.
Okay. Very good.
And not too much high and below the line. My brother and my mother was really happy. And your tricks, how you teach.
Okay, thank you so much.
I started in summer vacations. It was only for 1 week, but it was really good.
If you are looking for extreme perfection, तो आप डिस्क्रिप्शन में दी गई हुई लिंक से ऑनलाइन बुक या ई बुक ऑर्डर कर सकते हैं, जिसमें हर एक चीज़ बहुत डिटेल्स में दी गई है।